This is the Omnicharge that I had received as a replacement a few months ago. You can watch my other videos regarding the warranty process. And I'm not sure if it's a problem with quality control, but there's already an issue with it. So I purchased another Omnicharge, which was on sale because the warranty on the replacement ran out. So I turned this on, and the issue is if I go into the menu, how does it work? If I go into the menu and I select the port settings, DC out, you'll notice that the bottom one says 0 volts, when that's not supposed to be the case. There's supposed to be numerical values there. That doesn't really affect me because it's referring to this DC output, and it's for charging things like laptops and stuff. And I normally use the Omnicharge to charge my cell phone, either using the wireless charging on the top or through the USB on the side. But I still decided to get another Omnicharge, but a different version, which I'm going to do the unboxing, so I'll just turn this off. So this is the unboxing video for this Omnicharge. It's the 20 Plus version, which contains the wall socket, contains the additional thing that this one doesn't have is the USB-C port, which can be used for input as well as output. The DC out port, which I rarely use as an out, I use it to charge the device, and it includes wireless charging. Now the features are in the back. It's basically you have the AC port, which is 100 watts output. You have the DC port as well. You have two USB-A ports, which is similar to what I have. And as I mentioned, the difference is that this model here that I purchased includes a USB-C port, which can be used as output as well as input, contains wireless charging, and the capacity is the same. So I'll just unbox this. Here, icing. So contains this card here where you can view the items, the user manual, warnings, and this device includes, what's this? Anything in here? It includes the device itself. So you have your USB-C USB-C here. The DC port is here, and other than that, it's similar. I'll see if it can turn on. Yeah, it does turn on. There's 20%. Let's go into the menu. So if I go into DC out, see, there should be values on the other one similar to this, but for some reason it no longer does that. But as I mentioned, I rarely or never use my Omnicharge for the DC out. I use it for the DC in just to charge the device. Okay, and you get a warning message here, so I'm going to turn it off. But everything is basically the same. I'll do a review of this in a few weeks after I've used it. If you have any questions, please post your questions below, and I'll be sure to answer it. And if you like videos on technology or on digital cameras like the Nikon D5600 or D5300, please consider subscribing to my channel where you'll be notified of new videos. Thanks.